Welcome. In this video, we'll cover how to shift gears in a Tesla Model 3, specifically drive, reverse, and park. Unlike traditional cars, the Model 3 uses a simple stalk and touchscreen interface. As of late 2025, the Model 3 retains its original gear shifting mechanism from 2017, with software enhancements improving the user experience. We'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. The gear selector is a stalk located on the right side of the steering column in the Tesla Model 3. This stalk is the primary control for engaging different driving modes. The stalk is used to select drive, reverse, and park modes by moving it in specific directions. Additionally, there's a park button located on the end of the stalk for quick access to park mode. In addition to the physical stalk, the central touchscreen can also be used to select gears. This provides redundancy, allowing drivers to choose their preferred method for gear selection based on convenience or situation. To engage drive mode for forward motion, locate the gear selector stalk on the left side of the steering column. Push the gear selector stalk downwards once to shift into drive mode. The touchscreen instrument cluster will display a D to confirm drive mode is engaged. Once in drive mode, the car will accelerate when you press the accelerator pedal. Releasing the accelerator pedal engages regenerative braking, which converts kinetic energy back into electricity to slow the car down and recharge the battery. To engage reverse, pull the gear selector stalk upwards once. The touchscreen will display an R, and the car will emit a beeping sound. Reverse speed is limited for safety, typically around 8 miles per hour or 13 km/h. Use the rear view camera and mirrors for safe maneuvering. There are two ways to engage park mode in the Tesla Model 3. The first method is to press the button located on the end of the gear selector stalk. The second method is to select P on the touchscreen interface. Park mode locks the wheels, preventing the car from moving and ensuring safety when stationary. The Model 3 may also automatically shift into park in certain situations, especially when using full self-driving features. The Model 3 includes important safety features to prevent accidents during gear shifting. The system automatically blocks unsafe shifts, such as attempting to engage reverse mode while the vehicle is moving forward. Additionally, the gear system integrates seamlessly with advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, which can automatically apply the brakes and shift to park if a collision is imminent. For safe operation, always ensure the vehicle is completely stopped before attempting to change gears. This prevents any potential issues during the transition. Finally, always pay attention to the touchscreen display for confirmation that the gear change has been successfully executed. As an alternative to the stalk, you can also select drive, reverse, or park via the touchscreen. The location of these controls can vary slightly depending on the software version, but they are generally located near the top or side edges of the display. This provides a backup method for gear selection. Tesla is moving towards greater automation with its full self-driving system. Future updates may further integrate gear selection with AI, potentially reducing reliance on manual controls like the stalk. Keep an eye on over-the-air updates for potential ergonomic improvements and new features. While the stalk remains a reliable option, the trend is towards software-defined controls.